Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Accounts Guru Cool. Learn accounting online. So today we are going to discuss about in-demand skills that can increase salaries for finance and accounting jobs in 2025. So we are going to end by 2024 and very soon we are going to jump into 2025. Considering that this is this content is going to be the more useful for all of our viewers to know that which skills in demand that can increase salaries for finance and accounting teams jobs in 2025. Appraisal is going to be start now very soon. uh, Most of the entities going to do that by end of the March itself, or that's going to be applicable from the 1st April. But appraisals and salary increase, that's all is going to be based on the 2024's 2024's performance. But now, on what criteria your salaries going to increase and your employer want to retain you or your manager want to retain you, that's important for us to know. We also have to do the salary revisions for most of the our employees, and from that standpoint it's important to have a more clarity to all of our viewers which skills being as an employer we are going to consider, and where you guys need to do the focus. So that's we are going to discuss here. So request viewers to be with us till the end, and like, share, and subscribe our channel to get a more insight about accounting and finance. In addition to that, if you're looking for any sort of training related to enhance your skills, or if you are looking for any specific training related to R2R, P2P, O2C, FP&A, or anything related to accounting and finance, you can connect with us on our email ID accounts.gurukul@yahoo.com. The skills what we are going to discuss, that's also is going to be important. And if you uh, lack that skills at your end, then you can connect with us or put it in the comments. We are going to create the more content towards that skills in coming days. Now, Accounts Gurukul research for the 2025 reveals in demand skills that can increase salaries for finance and accounting jobs. Employers are willing to pay a premium for candidate with expertise in. So if you have this expertise, then employers are willing to pay a premium for candidates with expertise in. If you have the skills, what we are going to discuss now, if you have the expertise, then that's definitely going to be added benefits for you to get a more hike, get a more increase from your employer. An employer also do not want to lose such kind of candidates who has all these premium qualities, who has all these expertise. So in that, the first is going to be financial reporting. For creating accurate, timely financial statements and regulatory filings, that's one of the most important skills which going to be more important to increase your salaries. Financial reporting. So those candidates who have the in-depth knowledge about accounting and finance, they have the more control towards creating the accurate, with accuracy, timely financial statements and regulatory filings. If you see in this entire explanations, that's the first is going to ensure that accuracy. Second, timely financial statements, time-bound performance with accuracy plus regulatory findings. It means compliances. So it's ensure your accuracy plus your reporting and compliances. So those who has all the skills, then that particular candidates, definitely all the employers want to retain him and to pay the more salary for that. So considering the in-demand skills that's going to be help for increase your salaries. That's the first is financial reporting. And this is not only related to reporting, this is inclusive of maintaining the accuracy, time-bound performance with compliances. That's a combination of all these three skills related to financial reporting. So you have to try to enhance all these skills, how you're going to ensure the more accuracy, how you are going to do the time bound performance, and second, how you're going to ensure the compliances. We are going to create the content on all these things, since that's these skills is going to be required for you to increase your salaries or to have the good jobs in your hand. So considering these skills is going to be the more important, and we have to create the more content towards that. Second, financial modeling, forecasting, valuations, and strategic decision making. So that's also one of the in-demand skills in the coming days, in coming year. That's the financial modeling. So someone who are from the FP&A team, that's a finance planning and analysis, or anyone who want to be jump into the FP&A, then this is going to be the more important towards that the financial modeling for forecasting, valuation, and strategic decisions. Here as well, if you see in-demand skills for each and every point, what we highlighted the skills that's elaborated into sub three skills or more than that in financial reporting as well, and now in a financial modeling as well. In a financial modeling, forecasting, valuations, and strategic decision making. That's the three key skills, three three key categories, subcategories. That's a sub skills is important, financial modeling. So you have to work on this. You have to enhance these skills. And if you have, then definitely employer do not want to lose you. So the in-demand skills, the second one is towards the financial modeling. Now, the third, leadership and management. If you have the initial first two in demand skills, then the second is leadership and management for guiding teams and driving organizational success. That's so important. So who want to lose such kind of candidate who has a leadership skills and management? So it means that he is the one who ensure the guiding to teams on the time, and by guiding teams, he is ensuring the organizational success as well. He's driving the organizational success. So if anyone has the skills, then definitely employer do not want to lose that candidate. So you have to enhance how you're going to do the team management, how you're going to be as a leader, how you're going to ensure the driving the organizational success. If anything is related to required for that, then you have to connect with us as well to enhance these skills. Second, AI and automations. That's the fourth one. For improving efficiency and gaining insights from large data sets, artificial intelligence and automations. This is going to be one of the new requirement, or that's going to be more popular. That's has already been started, but now it's going to be more popular towards the upcoming years. That's artificial intelligence, RPA, automations. So considering that, you have to improve your efficiency. You have to improve your skills in AI and automations, the technology or tech tools, which going to helpful for quick reports and provide the enhance the more or analyze the more data, so that AI and automation is going to be required. Now, the next one towards the data analytics for interpreting financial data and supporting business strategies. So this is also the one of the important skills towards the in-demand skills that's going to be boost to your increase the salary. That's the data analytics for interpreting financials data and supporting business strategies. So data analytics, how you're going to do the data analysis and with accuracy. That's also is going to be important, since the AI and automation is there. And if AI and automations is there, then we have to work on the data. We have to interpret financials data and supporting that interpretations, that data to check either that's supporting to the business strategies or not. And if it's not, how we have to work on that. So these skills in demand that can increase salaries for finance and accounting jobs in 2025. So these findings highlights a clear trend. The finance and accounting fields have become more complex and technology integrated, and decision making is more data driven. So the finance and accounting fields have become more complex and technology integrated, and decision making is more data driven. Professionals who combine traditional financial skills with technological know-how and leadership abilities are likely to be in high demand and generously compensated. So this is going to be the important at the end is that the professionals who combine traditional financial skills with technology and leadership abilities are likely to be high demand. So you have to work on the traditional financial skills. That's going to be, you have to be top up on the basic concepts about accounting and finance. Then you have to know the technology, how you're going to use that ERP from the accounting standpoint, from the analysis standpoint, how you're going to use the RPA, AI, that's important. And second, leadership abilities, how you're going to manage the team and how you're going to do the presentation to the management. So traditional financial skills with technological know-how and leadership abilities, these three skills is going to be boost your career, and that's going to be helpful for you to increase your salaries for finance and accounting jobs in 2025. So thanks guys for being with us, and I hope now it's clear for you which skills is going to be in demand in 2025, which are going to be boost your salaries, or that's going to be helpful for you to increase salaries. So considering you have to work on that and you have to acquire the more knowledge towards that. And related to that, if you see any gap at your end, then you can connect with us to get a more insight related to that, how that skills is going to be enhanced, and we are going to come up with the more content on that. So request viewers to be with us till the end, and like, share, and subscribe our channel to get a more insight related to accounting and finance. Thank you.